Imagine only having $100 left in your pocket. How would you feel? Sad? Anxious? Desperate? Of course, you can't let go of that $100, right? Or maybe you're thinking of how you can grow your $100 to $1,000. Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. In this video, we'll be exploring Charlie Munger's essential guide to investing and growing your $100. Trust me, with his wisdom and our wit, you will be on your way to becoming a savvy investor in no time. So, if you're ready, without further ado, let's start the video. If you don't know Charlie Munger yet, he is also one of the greatest investors of all time alongside Warren Buffett. Warren and Charlie are the dynamic duo when it comes to investing. You can say that they are like the Batman and Robin in the investing world. Their paths crossed in the 1950s, and it was a match made in financial heaven. Munger brought a whole new level of wisdom and discipline to Buffett's game, resulting in one of the most successful partnerships in the history of investing. Their company, Berkshire Hathaway, became a behemoth of wealth and a symbol of their combined genius. So, what sets Charlie Munger apart from other investors? Well, my friend, Munger is known for his unorthodox approach to investing. He believes in the power of simplicity and common sense. Munger famously said, "The big money is not in the buying or the selling, but in the waiting." In other words, he's a patient investor who understands that wealth is built over time, not overnight. He also places a great emphasis on lifelong learning, constantly seeking knowledge from all disciplines to enhance his decision-making skills. Now that that's out of the way, I see that you're still here and means that you're ready to grow your only $100 into something big. Now, before you jump headfirst into the investment pool, it's crucial to understand the basics. But don't worry, we won't bore you with an in-depth analysis of financial jargon and confusing terminologies. Number 1. Diversification is key. With all of his wisdom, Charlie Munger stresses the value of diversification. In other words, avoid putting all of your eggs in one basket. Although it may be tempting to put your whole $100 in that hot stock tip that your friend offered you, we assure you that this is not the best course of action. Instead, distribute your investments among many businesses and asset types. In this manner, you won't be left crying into your pillow if one investment fails. Number 2. Research and analysis. When it comes to investing, picture a game of chess where your opponent is the vast and unpredictable stock market. You have to do your homework if you want to succeed. Examine businesses, evaluate their financial statements, and keep updated with industry developments. I know you might be thinking, but I have a life outside of staring at stock charts. Don't worry. To make your life easier, plenty of tools and resources are available online. Make good use of them. Number 3. Long-term mindset. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If anyone promises you instant riches, run and run fast. Charlie Munger advises adopting a long-term mindset when it comes to investing. Patience is key, my friends. Over time, your investments have the potential to grow and compound, but that doesn't happen overnight. So, resist the urge to panic and sell at the first sign of a market dip. Sit back, relax, and let time work its magic. Number 4. Managing risk. Always remember that there is risk involved with every investment, so it's critical to identify your comfort zone. If you are not able to withstand the volatility of high-risk, high-reward investing, avoid making large bets. Instead, find a middle ground between prospective benefit and risk. Recall that Charlie Munger did not become a billionaire by recklessly following his instincts. Otherwise, that would be a beautiful tragic movie plot, don't you think? Number 5. Avoiding emotional decisions. Humans are emotional creatures, and investing can bring out the worst in us. Greed and fear often cloud our judgment, leading to impulsive and irrational decisions. Charlie Munger advises us to keep our emotions in check and approach investing with a rational mindset. Don't let the market fluctuations dictate your actions. Stick to your investment plan and let logic guide you. All right. Now that you know these key principles, you're ready enough to start investing your precious $100. But the question now is, how do you invest it? Of course, we have that for you as well. And yes, everything is from Charlie Munger himself, so you don't have to worry about scams or false news or anything like that. We just offer the best of the best educational content for you guys. How about a quick like and subscribe for us? That would mean a lot. Anyways, back to the investing game. But first, let's talk about setting realistic expectations. Look, I hate to burst your bubble, but with just $100, you can't expect to become the next Warren Buffett overnight. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your investment portfolio. Selecting affordable investing options is the next step. It's critical to keep those fees in check because you are on a tight budget. Make sure you do your homework and look for investment options with low expense ratios because high fees can quickly eat away at your returns. Next up, index funds. These beauties are like a buffet of diverse investments. By investing in an index fund, you will be able to spread your $100 across different companies and industries without breaking a sweat. It's like getting a taste of the entire stock market without blowing your entire budget. Now, let's explore the interesting concept of compound interest. This is a financial phenomenon that is similar to a magic formula that can eventually turn your $100 investment into a sizable fortune. The real magic of compound interest appears when you let your money grow exponentially over a long period instead of just sitting about. Patience is the key to releasing this enchantment, my friend. Give time its due and let it work its magic. The power of compound interest becomes more evident as your investment grows and compounds. Thus, practice patience, let time do its magic, and witness the incredible upswing in your financial pursuits. Regular contributions and automating savings are also key. Remember, we are working with a limited budget here, so every dollar counts. By making regular contributions and automating your savings, you will gradually increase your investment without even realizing it. It's like going on a diet without feeling deprived. Your investment grows, and you still get to enjoy your daily dose of avocado toast. So there you have it. Investing with $100 may not make you an overnight millionaire, but it's a step in the right direction. Remember, investing is a journey, and it's never too late to start. So go ahead and take that first step towards your financial goals with the wisdom shared by Mr. Munger. And as always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our following videos.